Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change password to Shopify store. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over in here on the My Store or your actual store's name right here. Now, once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see in here the option for Manage Account. Click on that. And then once you have done that, as you can see, your Shopify account profile will open wherein you can see your general. Now you can head over to your security right here. And on the security, you can create the passkey or you can also change your password. So that actually depends on what you want. So let's head over and change our password. So let's click on this change your password right here. Then as you can see, it will ask us for the current password that we have, as well as the news password and the confirm password that we want to add. So if you're working with others like sub accounts as well as collaborator access, you can actually just do this instead of sharing your password by just adding them to your store and not actually adding in your password. But if you want to change it, just put in here your current password and then just type in here new password. It must be at least 8 characters and can't begin or end with space. Then confirm the new password and then click on this change password right here in order to save your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.